Welcome to Selz, the e-commerce platform that lets you start and scale your business from one simple place. Whether you already have an established business or you're just starting out, Selz gives you the tools you need to automate and grow your business. Here's a quick tour of some of the features that make Selz the right e-commerce platform for you. Let's start with your products. Selz gives you all the functionality you need to sell physical products, digital products, or services. You can easily create a new inventory of products or import an existing inventory if you already have one. You can add product previews with images or videos, set up shipping and delivery methods, and manage stock levels. Selz is a multi-channel platform, so we help you sell everywhere. One of the most important channels is your Webstore. Our best-in-class store builder is easy to use with drag and drop functionality, so you can create a beautiful store in moments with its own unique subdomain or domain. You can use our free professionally designed themes, or if you're using a third-party agency or web developer, you can build your own theme exactly how you want using our suite of efficient developer tools. If you already have an existing website, Selz integrates easily with all of the major website platforms like WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, Blogger, and more, instantly turning your existing website into a fully featured online store. You can also put your products in front of millions of potential new customers and synchronize your inventory with our integrated Facebook, Instagram, and Google Shopping channels. If you're looking to leverage digital advertising, Selz experts can help you drive sales with our managed advertising service, helping you get the most from targeted digital campaigns. Business Insight is at the heart of Selz. Easily track your performance from your dashboard, including where your customers are coming from, what they're buying, and what they're viewing. Google Analytics integrations are easy to set up too, so you can do deep dives into your promotions and sales. Selz integrates with your key business systems and apps, streamlining your processes and saving you valuable time. You can see all of our integrations in our App Store, and many of them are free. As your business grows, Selz is there to support you with powerful, enterprise-level features that help you manage logistics, fulfillment, marketing, and integrations. Selz is the platform for you to grow your business, and we're excited to partner with you. If you'd like to learn more or have questions of any kind, our customer service is the best in the business. You can chat with our team 24/7 by heading to the dashboard or help center and clicking the chat button at the bottom of the page.